Hi, Mia. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great. What do you usually do in your free time?
One enjoy reading books and taking photos.
That's nice. Photography is a great hobby.
Thank you, Dot. What about you?
I like playing the guitar and listening to music.
Really? How long have you been playing the guitar?
For about 3 years.
That's impressive.
Thanks. Do you have a favorite hobby?
Yes, I love taking photos.
What do you like to photograph?
Nature, sunsets, and interesting places.
That sounds fun.
It is. What is your favorite hobby?
Playing the guitar. It helps me relax.
Hobbies are a great way to relax.
I agree. They also help us learn new skills.
That's true.
Is there any hobby you want to learn?
Yes, I'd like to learn piano someday.
That's a great goal.
What about you?
I'd like to improve my photography skills.
That's wonderful.
It was nice talking with you.
Same here. See you next time.
See you soon. Mini story. Leo and Mia talked about their hobbies. Mia enjoys reading books and taking photos. Her favorite hobby is photography. Leo likes playing the guitar and listening to music. Playing the guitar helps him relax. They discussed how hobbies help people enjoy their free time and learn new skills. Mia wants to learn piano in the future, and Leo wants to improve his photography skills. They enjoyed sharing their interests and had a friendly conversation. Practice time. Repeat after me. What do you do in your free time? I enjoy reading books. I like taking photos. Playing the guitar is my hobby. Photography is my favorite hobby. Hobbies help me relax. I enjoy learning new skills. I'd like to learn piano someday. I want to improve my photography skills. What is your favorite hobby? Repeat after me. What do you do in your free time? I enjoy reading books. I like taking photos. Playing the guitar is my hobby. Photography is my favorite hobby. Hobbies help me relax. I enjoy learning new skills. I'd like to learn piano someday. I want to improve my photography skills. What is your favorite hobby? See you in the next lesson.